Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with the replacement wicks for the Scentsation Car Diffuser. Now you'll get 5 wicks, but these are actually considered a 20 pack because each individual wick can be cut down into 4 pieces. So what you're gonna wanna do is cut the wick directly in half. Then you're gonna do the same thing for the other 2 pieces. Now you have 4 wicks that are cut down to the proper size. Now to install the wick, you're first going to want to twist off the top of the Scentsation Car Diffuser. Then take out the wick and make sure you don't lose the spring. This is important. You're going to want to take the spring out from the original wick and then stab it into the new wick. Then place the wick back into the reservoir and fill it with your desired scent. Then simply twist the cap back on and you're ready to go. Now the most common reason people switch out their wicks is when they want to switch out different fragrances. This is to ensure that the scents don't mix and will remain pure. Now speaking of fragrances, I have a money-saving tip for you. When the fragrance that comes included with the Scentsation Car Diffuser runs out, you're going to want to keep the dropper bottle. That's because we sell a full line of premium replacement diffuser oils at an affordable price. And most, if not all, are inspired by those luxury 5-star hotels. Now I hope you learned why it's important to always have some extra wicks handy. And remember, we have a wide range of replacement oils available on our site at the lowest prices imaginable. So head on over there and grab your replacement wick set and some extra oils today.